It started with the big B and then came Subhash Ghai with a whopping 18 crore rupees. The Keyman insurance policy was only for the rich and famous, but today they are being used by companies to lure the top management. National Insurance fields auto insurance complaints. Agent 001 this week is India's #1 insurance agent, Priti Kucheria. Welcome to Insurance Intelligence, your weekly guide to everything you can and wanted to cover. I'm Vivek Law. She has been India's #1 agent for the last 3 years. She has insured people for a total value of 35 crore rupees till date. Agent 001 this week is ICICI Prudential's Priti Kucheria. Thank you very much, Priti, for joining us today on Insurance Intelligence. Tell us, how did you get into insurance? You were telling me in the break that you used to help out your husband and then this brainwave came and you went and became an agent.
Yes, 3 years ago, you see, the insurance industry was in its golden era. It still is. And, you know, everyone was looking at insurance. So my husband said, with some time on hand, you know, why don't you just take the exam and let's see what happens. Well, it's been 3 years now and I haven't looked back.
What's your first thing that you go and tell a person when you sell a policy?
Well, there's no one punchline as such, if that's what you're asking. But if I had to actually say it, I would, you know, probably ask the client, you know, what is his biggest asset? And ask the right questions to get the answer that his family is his biggest asset. And he needs to secure their financial future, even when he's no more. You know, he knows they're going to miss him, but he has to make sure they don't miss anything else.
Is that very difficult to tell someone?
Not really. Actually, I mean, because you asked me what's a punchline, what would you...
No, but I'm asking you, what do you first go and tell people? You're such a successful agent. You've been getting so many people insured. How do you manage it?
Well, insurance is a transference of feeling. When I meet a client, I meet him as if I were buying and not selling. So I place myself in his shoes. I ask the right questions to identify the underlying needs and wants. And once you've identified those, you take a role as an advisor and address those needs.
You're very happy being an insurance agent?
I love what I do. I simply enjoy what I do and I'm very passionate about it.
You think about it at night as well, you said?
Absolutely. Even in my dreams.
Thank you very much, Priti, for joining us today on Insurance Intelligence. We wish you all the very best.
My pleasure. Thank you.